Hey guys, Hiram the Mechanic Chapin again. On this video I'm going to show you what happens when you don't replace your bad ball joints. If you hear any squeaking noise on your when you move your steering wheel, or if you hear any clunking noises on the pad holes, check your ball joints, because this is going to happen if you don't replace your ball joints on time. You are going to spend a lot of money, a lot of parts to fix your car back, okay? Esto es lo que pasa si no cambian sus ball joints a tiempo. Si escuchan que rechina cuando mueven el volante o escuchan que truena en los agujeros, revisen sus rótulas, porque si no se les van a zafar y van a tener que cambiar muchas piezas y les va a salir caro, ¿ok? Let's see that. Les voy a enseñar qué pasa cuando no cambian sus rótulas a tiempo, sus ball joints. This is what happens when you don't replace your ball joints on time. You see? There is another piece right here. Esto es lo que pasa. Quita un pedazo, quita el otro pedazo. Después van a tener que cambiar la flecha, sensor del ABS, cuando se rompe esto. Ahí está el otro pedazo de flecha. Okay. So this is what happens when you don't replace your ball joints on time. You will need to replace your CV axle, ABS speed sensor, lower ball joint, or the whole control arm, and your strut. The strut is bad too. Okay. So if you hear any noise from your ball joint, like a squeaking noise when you turn your steering wheel, that means something is going on with the ball joints. Si escuchan que rechina cuando mueven el volante, tienen que revisar los ball joints, porque es cuando está seco. Tienen que cambiarlos, okay? This is what happened, guys. Replace your ball joints on time to save some money, okay? Remember, strut, CV axle, lower control arm, ABS speed sensor.